What's up, guys? It's Colby here. Today I have a Skatewarehouse unboxing, so let's get started. I've already opened it because I want to save time, but so we got this, whatever, I don't even know. It's like the shipping info and stuff, and there's stickers inside, so let's see what kind of stickers we got. We're gonna open this real fast. It says, "There's a snake in my booty." What the fuck? Dude, what the fuck? There's a snake in my booty. What the fuck? That's so weird. Alright. Oh yeah. We got... Holy crap, man. They loaded me with Go Skate stickers. Holy shit. Look at all these Go Skate stickers. Then we got a Shake Jut sticker. And a Plan B True sticker. And my address. I didn't even order these. They must have just gave them to me for free, but I got like a grizzly pin and a diamond pin. I don't even know. I didn't even order them though. Huh? That's pretty sweet. Thank you. And next we got a sexy sheet of Shake Jut grip. This is pretty sweet. It says Shake Jut. It's so beautiful. Shake Jut. And then we got But yeah, this took about 5 days to get here, so it's not too long. But it was like the longest 5 days of my life. It sucked. But we got a pair of, or 4 pairs of mini logo wheels, 51mm. Pretty sweet. I just like plain wheels. I don't need graphics on my wheels. They get worn out anyways. So what's the point? Oh, dude, they're so sweet. Next, I got a pair of Venture Super Light, Venture Super Light lows. Freaking, these things are so nice, man. Pretty sweet to me. I like them. We got another one. Next, I got the Shake Jut Allen hardware. I like these. They're pretty sweet. They have like a green. Oh, it comes with Allen key. Sweet. Oh my god, what does it say? It says, "Do not eat. You will kill yourself." What? Oh man, these are planning to be my dinner tonight. Fuck. Now I'm not gonna eat tonight. Then we got some Shake Jut bearings. I like that. That's pretty cool. It's like a girl's butt, but in the Shake Jut bearings. Get your roll on. But I was gonna get Bones Reds, but I don't know. I've heard that these are better than Bones Reds, but from like different people. I don't know. So I just thought I'd try them out, and I mean, I don't know. Everybody has Bones Reds. Why not be a little bit different, huh? I was trying to show you some if I can ever figure out how to open them. It says it goes with a sticker. Get your roll on. Oh man, these are nice. It comes with. What the fuck is that? I don't even know what that is. I don't know. It's like metal things. Something. It says get your roll on. Those are what the bearings are like. Pretty sweet. Alright. Yeah. Alright, cool. So, the last thing we got is a Plan B skateboard. It is the PJ Lad storefront deck. I really like this. Never seen anybody on YouTube with it. So I thought, well, it looks pretty sick, so why not get it? Size 775. That's what the cool kids ride. 775. Yeah. Alright, well, I'm gonna go set this up, so, later.